Hello, my name is Malachi Harris, and I'm here to walk you through the installation process for installing my plugin FEventSystemTriggers. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to open Unreal Engine 4.26. I will be updating the plugin to 4.27. Alright, so once you have the project loaded up, you can create a game project. You can either select from blank, first person flying, any template that you want. For this tutorial, I am going to select a third person template. You can either choose from a blueprint or C++. For this example or this tutorial, I will be showing you a blueprint project. And with plugins, or with this plugin, you will have to make your blueprint project into a C++ project. And I will be showing you how to do that. Make sure that you have the correct file location or folder location that you want to start your project in. Also, you can select or choose your name that you want to name your project. I am going to keep it as my project for this tutorial. I'm going to leave everything as default, and then I am going to click Create Project. Once my project has loaded, I am going to hit the play button. And as you can see, this is a normal project. It runs. So I'm going to close out of the editor. I'm going to navigate to the folder that I have installed my project in. Double click on it. I will need to create a plugins folder. If you don't have a plugins folder, you can always just create one. Once I have that here, just go to my GitHub, click on the latest release, and click the first one. And I'm going to click on Keep, and I'm going to show the folder where it's located at. Right click, extract all, extract, and here's my plugin. Go back to your project. Just gotta navigate to my project. So take your plugin that you currently installed, plugin, drag it into the plugins folder of your project. So I currently don't need these two files. Just going to delete them. And relaunch your project. Now that has loaded up, I'm going to click on Update. And I'm going to check and verify to see have my plugin correctly installed. So it has. As you can see here, FE, Event Trigger System. So the project still. So one of the issues that you may run across when packaging a plugin is that when I package, should load correctly. But when packaging your project, especially for a blueprint project, only for a blueprint project, you get an error when you launch your build or your package build, and I will show you how to fix that. This only occurs when you have a blueprint project with no C++. Navigate to where you have build, and I do get a message or an error that says plugin FEventTrigger system failed to load because module FEtrigger system cannot be found. To fix this, I'm gonna just delete this because I'm repackage. I just go to your file, create a new C++ class. It doesn't matter what you choose to add to your project. For now, I'm just gonna add class. You can either choose public or private, or just not choose anything at all. I'm gonna create my class. Okay, so it's now opening Visual Studio 2019. It will open up any IDE that you choose or that you are currently using for Unreal Engine, fit to support it. Once this loads, there we go. So I have my header in that CPP file. As you can see here, everything is basically fine, basically normal. So I'm going to exit out of my project, navigate to where I have stored my project at. I'm going to delete my binaries and intermediate files. And I'm also going to delete my SLN file. And I'm just going to regenerate a Visual Studio project file. Going to double click on my project SLN file. It does not matter what Visual Studio that it opens in. I currently have 3 Visual Studios versions installed, 2017, 2019, and 2022. Once my Visual Studio has finished loading, build solution. Once my project has finished building, I can close out of Visual Studio and relaunch my project. And I'm going to repackage my project. Now that has completed, navigate to where you have package or store your package project at. Double click on your exe. And as you can see, everything is working as expected. So in the next video, I will be showing you how to use my plugin. Thank you for watching.